HTML meta tags are snippets of code that provide metadata about your web page. They don't appear on the page itself, but they are hidden in the HTML code. Meta tags play a crucial role in helping search engines understand your web page's content, which can improve your SEO ranking. I'll use Emmet to generate the HTML boilerplate code for me using exclamation mark and enter or tab. We have all of this stuff in our head section now. The first one we have here is charset, which is set to UTF-8, which is Unicode Transformation Format 8-bit. It is a character encoding standard that aims to represent almost all characters from all writing systems in a consistent way. When you include this tag within the head section of your HTML document, you are informing the web browser that the document is encoded using UTF-8. This ensures that the browser interprets and displays the text content of your web page correctly, regardless of the language or characters used in that content. The meta viewport tag is used in HTML document to control how the web page is displayed on various devices, particularly mobile devices with different screen sizes and resolutions. It's an essential part of creating responsive web designs that adapt to different screen sizes and orientations. It has different attributes. The first one is width. This attribute sets the width of the viewport. You can use values like device width to make it match the screen's width or specify a fixed pixel width. Initial scale. This attribute sets the initial zoom level when the page is first loaded. Typically, it's set to 1 to ensure that the page appears at its natural size on the device. Minimum scale and maximum scale attributes control the minimum and maximum zoom levels users can apply to the page. The user scalable attribute, when set to yes, allows the users to pinch zoom and adjust the page's zoom level. Setting it to no disables user scaling. Then we see this title tag. This sets the title of your web page, which appears in search engine results. Let us change it to meta tags explained. It is displayed in the browser tab. It should be relevant and descriptive of your web page. Next is the description tag. This provides a brief summary of your web page, also shown in search results. Do keep in mind that there is a character limit on this. Try to keep it around 100 characters to be safe. Next is the keywords tag. Although not as crucial as it was once, it still helps search engines understand your content. Including keywords relevant to content of your web page can help the page rank higher in search engines. Another meta tag with attribute name is equal to author is used in HTML documents to specify the author of the web page or document. So these were the meta tags. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more coding tutorials. Till next video, take care. Bye bye.